Welcome to another how-to. Oh shit. Oh, excuse me. Today on the agenda, I'm gonna teach you how to get cool wallpapers and how to also make them if you prefer. As you might have seen in my previous videos, I have some pretty cool wallpapers, huh? The Max Payne one, if you remember, if you're a long time viewer. Or if you're a new time viewer from New Times, you might have seen this one with the Call of Duty guy and the other Call of Duty guy. Yeah, I put Max Payne in this one. I'm pretty proud of this one. I kind of like just gonna put him there because I like Max Payne. I'm a huge fan of Max Payne, but I'm not gonna get into that whole Max Payne biggest fan, number one right here, debacle again. I already did my play review of Max Payne 1, which you should check out. Oh fuck! I think I'm bleeding. Whatever. The show must continue. So, first of all, I'm gonna show you where to find really cool wallpapers that you can just find. I've been using this one for years. Like it's amazing how many good wallpapers this website has. Seriously, okay, there you go. Okay, so it's called Nexus Wallpaper, or maybe Wallpaper Nexus. I forget the order of things, but thankfully, this rapist AI will tell me. Oh, desktopnexus.com. Okay, I'm wrong all around, huh? All right, so yeah, the first link. Yeah, or if you wanna join it, like open it directly, it's at www.com desktopnexus.com, and here you have a million wallpapers, have 1.5 million wallpapers, and they have all kinds of categories. You can get boats, like here's some boats. That's black people. That's not boats. You can get entertainment. You want like an entertaining wallpaper. Here's like Batman, the bald guy. It's fucking cryptid. Okay, whatever. Don't look at that. That's kind of scary. You can get space. What the fuck is that? You can get the moon. That's in space, I think. Getting technology. I wonder what's in technology. Yeah. Okay, don't open this one. This one sucks. But here's the best one, which if you're a little guy who plays games on your computer or your console, you're gonna definitely get into this one. This has a lot of stuff. There's a Mega Man one. Remember Mega Man? Mega Man. I remember that. When I said that in that one previous video, if you watched it, there he is. There's Mega Man. You can get that wallpaper Mega Man. You can get the Tekken, Diablo, or whatever the fuck this is. What the fuck is this? Oh, fuck it. I was gonna ask me for my, hold up, whatever. So yeah, so this is a perfect website, but to get a wallpaper quickly, you can search for popular for any category, and you'll be fine. But what I like to do is make my own. So the way you do that, so let's see, let's get an example going. Nature. Let's see nature here. Let's get that small by let's sort by freshness. All right, and let's go to the last page because there's the golden stuff, the OG stuff. Yeah, look, here's a nice waterfall sewage pipe. And we can get that one. Oh yeah, I forgot to mention, when you click on the image, it will auto detect what resolution your monitor is at, and it will optimize the image so it will look cool and good and nice on your actual monitor. See? Does it not look nice? I'm gonna save that, and I'm gonna use that. So we got that right, but that's not enough. I mean, you know, you're thinking to yourself, well, you just downloaded an image, so that's not yours, just someone's picture. But here comes Photoshop. So you open Photoshop, right? You open Photoshop. By the way, this software is free. This software is 100% free. Don't even worry about it. I think if there's like a paid version that you can pay for, don't that's like a scam. Don't get yourself scammed. This software has always been free, so you know, don't worry about it. So what you do? So when you have Photoshop open, which you can have CS6, CS5, CS4, CCC6, CCTV, wherever the fuck. You grab your image and you pop it down here, and boom, we have it in our Photoshop. So now, to make it more personal, let's find like a cool character. I'm gonna look up. Hold up. Let's Google.com. I'm gonna look up Jimmy Neutron. And I'm gonna go to images. Now, here's a pro tip whenever you're looking for images, right? Let's say you want like a transparent image, like a PNG, right? So you can so it doesn't have you can pop the character right in. You don't have to do anything yourself. Over here in tools, you can click tools right here, and you can pick color transparent, and it will show you transparent images. Let's get that Jimmy Neutron. Hey, this one was cool. That's not Jimmy Neutron, but let's get him anyway. He's like a friend of Jimmy Neut guy. So let's get this fucked up curtain. Hold up. There you go. Okay, save that. And save this little cretin. This is a bigger cretin. It's like a old man, a kid. Oh fuck. Okay, so you might encounter a problem. You might find this devilish fucking file type called WebP. WEBP. Now what does that stand for? It stands for fucking the devil is what it stands for. This will hinder your productivity at all times. But thankfully, you can counteract the devil with a crucifix. But if you don't have that, you can use this method. You can look up WebP to PNG, and you will get websites that will convert the devil into an angel. I recommend this one. I recommend this one. Okay, consensual, whatever. Alright, and then you put get out of here, fucking. Okay, so and then now you put your file inside this little box here, and you will see our little test subject. Then you pick convert to PNG, and boom, save. You pick save, or if you want, you can do crazy effects on him. But I won't do that. He's perfect the way he is, even though he's fat and ugly and stupid. But there we go. We beaten the devil out of this ugly file, so we can delete the ugly one and tell it to fuck off. So now we have. Wait, where's my Jimmy? There it is. Because I'm with the Photoshop. So there's our two files. Here's the Jimmy one, I believe. It's we can put him over here. We can stretch him. We can do everything. Let's zoom it out. Let's rotate him like this and put him like that, and then press enter to confirm, right? And then look how natural he looks. Look at the composition that I've just made. A beautiful composition. And then there's the fat guy that's gonna ruin the composition because he's fat, ugly, and stupid, and yeah. So there he is, being stupid and ugly and all. I'm gonna stretch him out. Actually, let's do a little bit of a storytelling. So we're gonna take our little Jimmy here. We're gonna rotate him. We're gonna make it look like he's squashing him. Okay, we gotta move him to the layer above, so he's above, right? And then we gotta to manipulate the image. You gotta press right click and rasterize layer. I don't know what the fuck that means, but it means that it works, so that's okay by me. So let's util this. Let's stretch him like that, crack him like an egg, right? Because he's kind of like an egg, because he's like fat, ugly, and stupid. And let's paint a little, right? Everyone has a little artist inside all of us. Actually, maybe there shouldn't be like a person inside you, but yeah. Let's increase our size. Get it? And there's just blood everywhere. There's just blood. He fucking killed him. That's a massacre. The waterfall itself is like bloody and red, and let's get some and he's evil. He's evil Jimmy. And he has a mustache, because all evil people have mustaches and beards. Because he's a hippie. And there you go, there's a beautiful wallpaper. And now I'm gonna save it as, and there's you have different formats. I don't know what any of them do. Just do PNG, because you should. Don't question it, okay? And we can close it. And we have our beautiful little wallpaper. And we can right click on our desktop and go to properties. And then go to desktop and then browse. And oh, hold up, because it shows my. Okay, let's put that. Fuck! I stopped the recording because I wanted to rename it. Let's change the name to cool photograph extension. Okay. Oh fuck! I just broke it. Fuck. Reverse. Control Z. Ah, there you go. If you break something, you can Control Z it and it'll fix it. So I'm not gonna touch it. Yeah, I guess it breaks whenever if you save it, you know. I guess if you change something that Photoshop didn't save, I guess it breaks. I don't know how it works, but here we go. Here's our epic little wallpaper, and I hope this tutorial was really useful to all of you. I hope you make wonderful wallpapers, desktop wallpapers. I should specify. Yeah, and rate, comment, and subscribe. Leave a thumbs up if you liked it. If you don't, if you didn't like it, this is you right here. You see that? See that little fat bitch, fat fucking.